In case you're new here, I go on painting adventures. In this series, I hope to share a more hidden side of Japan, while seeking out peaceful spots to paint and plein air. We'll start by visiting Mount Minobu in the Japanese Alps, where we will be staying in temple lodging. When I was a high school exchange student in Japan, I remember buying a small copy of a print called The Great Wave off Kanagawa. This ukiyo-e was very impactful on my development as a painter. Hokusai is the artist who created this iconic woodblock print, and when I get to Manobu, I'm looking forward to taking a cable car up to the famous view that inspired Hokusai to create another of his 36 views of Mount Fuji. This car meetup at the rest stop made me feel nostalgic. When I was a kid in New Zealand, my grandparents had minis like this. Traveling by bus through the Yamanashi countryside was a lovely way to slow down. I enjoyed seeing some of the rice fields flooded and ready for planting. It felt very calm when I arrived in Manobu, and there were no other foreign visitors around. This vegan hoto was delicious, and it's a local specialty. Before eating, I had stowed my bag in the super convenient coin lockers at the tourist office. While I was eating, there was a loudspeaker announcement, and everyone went outside to wave at pilgrims as they arrived. Located an hour away from Mount Fuji in the Yamanashi prefecture, Minobu-san Kuon-ji Temple was founded in 1275 by Nichiren Shonin and is the head temple of the Nichiren sect of Buddhism. It has been an important pilgrimage site for hundreds of years. These are the steps of the Bodai-tei, or Ladder of Buddhahood. Built in 1632, the staircase is divided into 7 sections, one for each of the 7 kanji characters of the Lotus Sutra title. There are 41 steps in each section, which correspond to different teachings for a total of 287 steps. At the top of the stairs is the main hall of the temple, which represents the Pure Land paradise on earth. It is believed that climbing the Bodai-tei can help lead to enlightenment. When I finally reached the top of those 287 steps, I saw strange flickering lights. It turned out to be a medical condition where the gel in the back of my eye was pulling away. It might have been triggered by overexertion, but it's apparently associated with getting older. Although I'm all good now, it was a bit scary. However, in retrospect, it has helped me be more mindful and appreciative of my vision, and to pay closer attention to what I see. Interestingly, the water from the mountain is locally famous for healing eyes. And Kakurimbo, the temple lodge I'll be staying at, was founded 550 years ago by a monk who is revered as a patron deity of eyesight.
Cypress trees in person by praying for the peace of the country, for the sake of his parents and masters. Minobu no machinamiをはじめ, Views of Minobu that spreads in front of you. The Fuji River, one of Japan's 3 major rapids. Mount Fuji, a World Heritage Site.
I'm grateful to have reached my painting spot. This is where Hokusai was inspired to create the famous ukiyo-e, Minobu Gawa Ura Fuji, or the back of Mount Fuji seen from the Manobu River. He painted this in 1830 as part of his famous 36 Views of Mount Fuji series. Below we see the Manobu River, and I'm so happy the clouds cleared so that I could see snowy Mount Fuji in the distance. The Manobu River is a tributary of the Fuji River and was an important route for pilgrims visiting Kuonji. Hokusai himself was a devout follower of Nichiren Buddhism. Minobu-san is forested with cypresses and cedars. Four sacred cedars were planted more than 700 years ago by Nichiren Shonin near the upper sanctuary in honor of his parents and his teacher, Dozembo, and to pray for peace throughout the country. Hearing drumming in the temple helped me feel more connected to this wonderful place. All done.
The gondola will leave Okunoe Station on the summit for Kuonji Station on the summit of the mountain. These stairs are divided into 7 sections. 日立の国、現在の茨城へ赴かれる途中、東京の池上において波乱多きご生涯を閉じられたのでございます。Reach the precincts of the Temple Minobu-san Kuon-ji. この階段は南無妙法蓮華経のお題目7文字になぞらえ7区間に分けられておりまして、悟りが開けるということから。
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really helps me out, and I hope we can grow this channel together. Please join me for the following episode, where we get to experience a 550-year-old traditional mountain temple lodge, and I have the yummiest vegan meal ever. See you next time!